give you guys editing apps for free where you could get free copywritten music. Free, okay? You ain't got to pay me for no course, and you ain't got to pay me for nothing like that, okay? Because I ran across someone's video. At this point, I'm over it. I'm annoyed and everything. So I said, you know what? Let me do something for my people, because people out here selling stuff. Knowledge is for free. Stop doing this to these people. Like, tell them where to go get it. Like I said before in my other videos, I'm here to give something of substance. If you gotta pay for something from me, just know it's gonna be of substance. I'm a hairstylist. So when I slay your hair, yeah, you pay me for that. Well, if I'm teaching you how to do something that's hands-on, you're using your hands. You gotta use your hands to melt this lace. You gotta use your hands to sew. You gotta use your hands to bleach the knots. You gotta use your hands. I'm teaching you something. You know what I'm saying? But when it's something for me to teach you in your head, for you to know, like, I'm not teaching you no hands-on nothing, like straight up telling you where to get the information from, why would I charge you for that? And at this point, I am sick of homegirl selling y'all shit. So I don't follow her, but every time I see some shit that don't fit too well with my spirit, I'm gonna counteract. Yes, I'm gonna counteract, and I'm gonna do something for y'all for free. And I'm gonna give y'all way more information that y'all I'm gonna give y'all way more information than you could even think about, okay? So we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna give you guys some editing apps. I'm gonna tell you guys the ones that I use, which I've done that before, but I think I need to do it again, okay? Yeah, so let's get into this. We got Canva for photo editing. We're talking about photo editing right now. I love using Canva when it's time for your thumbnails, whatever you want to create on Canva. You can even create videos now on Canva, okay? You can even edit your videos now on Canva, but we usually use it most for like flyers, pictures. I use it for my thumbnail. So that's one. We got Snapseed. Snapseed is good on Androids. Professional photos editing with tools like filters, color tuning, and healing brushes. So basically, like, say if you got like a blemish on your skin, or you see that little bag right there, I want to get rid of that, you know what I'm saying? You use the Snapseed. Then we got PicArt. PicArt is, you know, for Android, iOS. All of these apps is for Android and iOS. So basically Android and iPhones. So for the PicArt now, you could create edits, collages, social media ready designs. You could play with it. Don't get me wrong. Some of these things, most of it is free, but when you want to go above and beyond, yeah, you're gonna have to start paying for certain things. But if you got the time, like for instance, Canva, you have to pay to remove the background. But boom, I got something better. You could go to backgroundremover.com, backgroundremover.com, okay? And put your picture in there and delete the whole freaking background for free, completely free. They do have a part where you could pay, but everything has something that you could pay. But you can take this piece with that piece and that piece. Like for instance, we know that Snapseed, okay, do good editing, has editing tools, tuning, and healing brushes and stuff like that. Okay, so now we'll take that picture from Snapseed that we use the free part on and drop it in Canva, or vice versa. You know what I'm saying? Take the apps and play with it. You feel me? Okay, now here we got some more. A video editing app. Again, CapCut. You're going to hear CapCut a lot. CapCut is one of the best editing apps out there. I use it all the time with everything that I do. I even sometimes use it with my my thumbnails. Like I snapshot the picture and I do I take the picture, put it in CapCut in the video section, put it in CapCut, take the letter in, write what you want to write on it, snapshot it again, boom, resize it, and there you go. So you can use Canva or CapCut for your thumbnails, just depending on how you want to do. But you know, if you put it in if you put your picture that you snapshot in Canva, it's kind of better because you get to size it right. You get to see how to the different letters and stuff like that. But if you got the knowledge, you can use CapCut as well. Okay. Then we got VN Video Editor. Okay. It's a feature-rich app with multiple layers editing for videos. Then we got InShot. InShot is good too. Perfect for trimming, merging, and adding effects. They got another one called KineMaster. I used to use KineMaster all the time. I don't use KineMaster no more because I'm loving CapCut. CapCut is just the thing right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I love me some CapCut, okay? Then we have, if you want to document, if you want to edit documents, okay? Now I'm going in deep. Now, if you want to edit documents, they got Microsoft. They got, it edits Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. They got the Google Docs. They even got Adobe. Adobe is a bomb-ass document shit. Let me tell you something. Adobe, you could change over a whole document with Adobe. Okay, I'm not gonna get into that. Help me a little bit too much, but yeah, if you know what you know, then you know. So you can use Adobe is definitely a good document editing app if that's what you're looking for. Like I said, got Google Docs, Microsoft Office, blah blah blah. But we are basically talking about video editing and photos because we want to be social media stars, right? Okay, so yeah. Then let me go back. Now we was on music, so I had to stop because I had a client, but I ain't forget y'all. I had to come back and give y'all this information because this shit is just not right to me. So anyway, let's get into it. So free copywritten music, okay? YouTube audio library. YouTube audio library give you free music and sound effects for personal and commercial projects, okay? Pixabay Music offers a wide range of free music and tracks, okay? We got another one called Free Music Archive, FMA, okay? If you want to, it's a large collection, free music under Creative Commons license, okay? Got Ben Sound, audio free music resources, occasionally provided free tracks for creators. Check their free music section and you can visit audio. So these are things that you can go look up for free, okay? Another thing, if you're on Instagram or Facebook, Instagram shows you, it don't really show you what you could get paid for, but the music that's on Instagram, you already know that is connected into Reels, so most of the times people gonna get paid for it. Another platform is Facebook. Facebook shows you, okay, it shows you revenue sharing music. So right next, like if you're doing a reel, right next to the music, like if you go into add music, it will show you if you can get revenue from it or if you can't, okay? So it shows you, it's self-explanatory. So all this stuff about y'all paying for certain things from people and got them having y'all tripping the fuck out and making y'all think that y'all gotta pay for these things. No, you do not. Knowledge is free. And if I have to pay you to jump around to tell me some information or scream in my face to tell me some information, then I do not need to be watching you. Like, come on, what are we doing today? What are we doing? And for real, like I had promised myself not to talk about this person no more, but I even unfollowed them. The shit just keep popping up on my phone. So I seen the topic and I decided to say, let me click on it. Lo and behold, you're talking about the same thing, giving people the same bullshit information. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And then when you scroll through the comments and you see some of the comments, it's like, are you delusional? Are you delulu? Like, Okay, neither here nor there. I'm not no hater. I'm just a participator, and I'm participating in giving y'all free information that y'all do not have to pay for. Period, point blank. So I gave y'all free music, free editing down apps, free video apps and picture apps. And I even added a little something, gave y'all the documents. Anyway, I hope this was some valuable information, and I'm gonna pin my video somewhere over here so y'all can go to see the video that I made with the free editing apps and how to actually edit your stuff. Okay? Hope you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy, and yeah. Peace.